this segment, we're going to show how to remove and then reinstall pedals. So here, we have our 15mm pedal wrench. To take pedals off, you want to turn towards the back of the bike. The drive side is threaded differently from the non-drive side. Holding the opposite non-drive side with your hand, you're going to go back towards the bike. Now the pedal is loosened up. So now you should be able to just use your hand and then spin the crank like this, make everything easier. There you have it. Your right pedal is now removed. So to reinstall the pedal, before we do that, we want to inspect the threads inside the crank arm. They look to be pretty good and clean. So now we're going to take our Park PPL2 Polylube, getting a good amount on the brush. Just want to go around the threads on the pedal like that. Now we're done with the grease, we can put that to the side. So now, just kind of want to get it started by turning this way towards the front of the bike. And that is the same for the opposite side as well. So now we just need our pedal wrench once more. Just going to turn this a few times till it's snug. Put some torque on it. And there you have it, your pedal is all installed now.